Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to use this trainer quickly. I will try it in two games. So this trainer, you can basically, if you find your sheet with sheet engine, you can use it in my trainer. My trainer can dynamically use, as you see. Uh, Sorry, because I'm opening cheat engine and my trainer does not allow cheat engine. I think I will remove that because that's stupid. Maybe not. Okay, I will not remove it anyway. So basically, when you find your sheet, for example, I found my sheet with sheet engine. Let's start with, for example, Leon HP. Let's say you found the Leon HP bytes with binders. So this is Neon HP. Okay, let me show you. This is Leon HP. Let's make it 1000. As you see, it's decreased anyway. Let's say you find the address of Leon HP, and I assume you know everything. So right click on this, find out what access this address. For example, do like this, and you might need to decrease your HP. I don't know, let something hit you, because you need to let something hit you. Then another instructions will pop up here. Then you're gonna find, you're gonna do something like this. You need to find the instruction that writes to this address, and you're gonna, for example, you click, for example, this one, show this in this example, right click and replace with code that does nothing. When you do this, it will knock the bytes. When you knock the bytes, the Neon HP will not decrease. But this is not the correct one, because as I said, you need to hit yourself or let enemy hit you, so another bytes will pop up. So for me, I already found the bytes, so the bytes is for Leon is this one. Okay, this one. So this is the bytes of Leon. Anyway, I knock it. So basically, we're gonna use this in my trainer. Okay, these bytes. Okay. So basically, you open this file. You will find this file here. In documents, this trainer. Open this one. Specify the process name, of course. Process name here. You can set the name of the trainer. You will see it in the trainer anyway. For example, let's start with clean one. Let's assume there's nothing here. Okay, only Leon HP. Save. Open the trainer. Oh shit. Okay. Open. As you see, you only see this one because we only added this. So how are we gonna use this? How are we gonna use this? What is this? But okay, well, let me explain. So let's assume you find Leon HP. I think I already find it. Yeah, it's here. Leon HP. This is the basically my trainer will just knock the bytes. It's like you do this, right click and do this, not the bytes. My trainer will do that, but you know, with hotkeys and all that stuff. So this is the, let's see, you find this is the bytes. When you knock these bytes, you will get unlimited HP. Okay. How are we gonna use it for my trainer? You're gonna knock these bytes. How the number of these bytes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bytes. So you write 7 bytes here. But you need to make unique bytes. Do not let cheat engine generate unique bytes for you. Cheat engine might work, might not, because for example, select the bytes, tools, auto assemble, templates, IOP injection. Okay, in this case it will work for my timer. Why? Because the bytes start with 48. It starts with exactly this address. But sometimes cheat engine wants to generate unique bytes for you. Sometimes it starts with these bytes. For example, sometimes it starts with D, then like this. But it will not work with my timer. My timer it needs to start with the bytes of your target address. Okay, this is my target address, so the bytes needs to start with it. If you do with the engine and it generates a byte that start with, for example, DD, for example, it start with DD, then do not use this one. Don't use. You're gonna need to use this tool. This tool, byte occurrences. This tool can help you to identify the unique bytes. For example, let's see. This is my target address, right? And I know this is the unique byte. It ends at B 8B. For example, let's see. Let's make unique bytes. Okay, copy all the bytes only. Okay, let's try this tool. This tool can help you. Open this byte occurrences. Add the bytes here. So we are checking. We are trying to make these bytes unique. Okay, that means this byte does not is not repeated in this process memory. So write the process name here. Process name like this. Okay, save. Then since this game is 46, you can choose if you wanna know the process, you can like task manager, go to level 4, go to details. You will see here 40, 64. If you wanna know, sometimes this platform is hidden. I think if you wanna show it, I think maybe you go here. I think, wait, I don't remember. Okay guys, I found it. So right click on the process and go to details, and then click here in the space, in this space. Don't click on this, just click on this space, select the column and check platform. This will allow you to see the process, if it's 64 or 32 byte. Okay, this is known. So this process is 64, so you're gonna run this one. You're gonna run this. So we said we're gonna search for this bytes. We want to make this bytes unique. Let's start with this one. We're gonna search for this one in this process. Okay, in this, of course, in this process. Save. Then open this. It will search. As you see, it will show you the occurrences, many occurrences, as you see. That means it is not this byte is repeated in this address and in this address and in this address. If you go to this address, you will see, for example, copy this, go here, it will take you, as you see, the same bytes. Okay, let's go back. What is it? Oh my god. Anyway, so this is not unique, so what you want to do is, let's select this and this. You can do hold left shift and left click, copy bytes only. Let's try. As you see, you can increase the bytes from here. You can increase as you want, but you must start with the target address. You can only go, because this is the target address that we want to knob. So you must start with this byte. Okay, and to the end. Save, and then open this. As you see, account is only one font. It will keep searching in all the models. So this is that means this is a unique byte because there is only one account. As you see, it shows you the base address C5. As you see, this is the base address, and this is the full address. Basically, you can copy all this. Copy this, it will take the same address. Basically, this is the model, and the base address, it will give you this. Okay. Anyway, this is a unique byte. You can use this byte. Okay, you can use it. This is because it's only occurred only one in the process. You can use it. So then you can open this, use this unique byte, use it here. Okay, paste byte. But you can use cheat engine. If cheat engine start with this byte, it's okay, because cheat engine will generate unique bytes for you. Do this, but only, as I said, only if it when it starts with this, when it starts with the byte of that. If it starts with the above byte, then do not use it. Since this start with the target address, then copy and use. That's all, simple as that. And for this, you can do whatever you can do. I don't know, because my tunnel will automatically find this byte, and it will see if this address is not correct. If this byte address is not correct, then it will update it for you, or you can just type it. It's here, 221, 7B5C5. Anyway, for this knob, the number of bytes that you want to knob. This is a target address, right? That means we want to knob how many bytes. You can check how many bytes. You can count. You can count by 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 bytes. For this one, it's 3 bytes. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, so this is 7 bytes. That means you need to write 7 here. Okay. The original bytes you need to write the target address original bytes. This is the original bytes. So just copy this bytes only. Use it here. It's the original bytes. And keep this as restored. This is just my settings for to tell my tunnel that the bytes is restored. That means when you use the hotkeys, it will knob. Anyway, keep this as it is. Keep it. You can check this toggle or hold. Hold means when you keep holding hotkeys, it will keep these bytes in a knob state. It will keep it like that. But if you release the key, it will restore. You can check whatever. You can use the toggle if you want. In some cases, in some bytes, you want only to knob the bytes while you're holding the key. Anyway, it depends on your needs. So this is the hotkeys that you want. You can use as long combination as you want. You need to use this virtual keys. If you want to check the virtual keys, you can go to this website. This website, it will show you the it will show you the keys, because it's not human readable keys. You can check it from this website. As you see here, this is shift, left shift. This is shift key in general. You need to like, for example, left shift, right? Left shift. I don't know how it is in there. Anyway, right shift. Then it will take you to go to because there is right shift and left shift. This is shift in general, right? Okay, here. This is left shift. Use left shift. And if you want to use right shift, use right shift. Anyway, so you only copy this. Anyway, so as I mentioned, use this for everything. For example, let's see you find out armor. Do the same thing. If I will find armor, for example, I found it here. Unlimited armor. If I knob this one, I will get unlimited armor. Okay, my armor will not decrease. Use the same thing. Generate unique bytes. Find unique bytes. Do the same thing. Copy it here. Let's see. Just use another one like this. Let's copy paste. You can name here anything you want. Unlimited armor. Write the bytes only. Used in how many bytes we want to knob? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Use another hotkey. Don't use the same hotkey, because you use the same hotkey, it will knob both of them. Anyway, if you want to knob both of them, as you like. Anyway, this is it. Create unique. You can use it engine first if it's fine. Let's see. Tools and assemble. Okay. This byte start with 44. Okay, it start with this one. That's cool. You can use this unique bytes. You can use it here. This is the search bytes. Okay. Use it. You can keep this as it is. It will update it to this one. My time will automatically update this. Okay. You can use toggle or hold. depends on your need, and so on, you know. Okay, let's use mine because I already filled my entire sheet. I'll explain to you other things. So this is the section of knob. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. This is the section of injection. This one another thing. This one we're gonna inject code in the process memory to get the addresses manually without using pointers. Okay. Sheet engine also uses use injection. As you see, this is sheet engine injection. As you see. So this is basically the coordinates. Okay. This is the coordinates of the player. The addresses will go inside. X, Y, Z addresses will come in this instruction. Okay, let me show you. I assume you know everything with sheet engine. So the addresses should be in 30. This okay. And that should be in 130. Yes, 30, 34. 1 second. Anyway, you can assume from this. This is I already found x coordinates of Leon. As you see, if I edit it, this is 200, right? If I add it to 5, DC my character moved. Anyway, this is the x coordinate, I assume. So the coordinates are always like near each other, like 30 is x, 34 is z, y is 38. Okay. Anyway, this is the how sheet engine inject code. This is it will allocate this memory 8 bytes of memory. It will allocate it. It will move the RSC registry to this address. This registry it contains the addresses X, Y, Z. Okay, it will move it to this one, and you know. For example, let's inject. Okay, do you see when we inject, it's gonna jump to the allocated memory. Look, you see it's jumping. When you right click follow, it will take you to the allocated memory that we allocated here. Okay, we allocated 8 bytes of memory. So as I said, as you see, it's moving the RSC registry to this one, and we're gonna use new address, and we're gonna use as I did it before. Use this. Just the address x 30 is x, and same thing. Z is 34. Same thing. It will show you the XYZ from this address. Okay, then it will jump back to the structure to continue the flow, and when you uncheck, it will deallocate the memory, and that's all. Basically, I'm using the same thing with my trainer. Okay, it's injecting. Okay, a second. As I said, let me copy my let me copy back my sheet table. So let's assume you already know how to find the extraction of the address, and you need to find also bear in mind, you need to find an instruction that only contains your address. Okay, it does not contain the other players or other enemies. As you see, only one address. That means it's only the address of Leon. Okay, of Leon character. If you see many addresses, then do not use this. For example, right click on the, let's assume you find the address of X or Y or Z, whatever. Right click on it to find what access. You will see a lot of others. Okay, move your character. Anyway, you can check one by one. Right click, find what access. Many addresses. That means the enemies or many NPC, whatever. We're not gonna use them. Go for this one. Do the same thing. many addresses. We're not gonna use this one, and you keep searching, until you find I don't know which one is mine. Anyway, so mine is this one. I already find it because it contains all my characters, so that means we're gonna use this one. Okay, we're gonna use the same thing basically. Wait, we're gonna use the same thing. This is stuff of injection. Okay, we're gonna make unique bytes. You can let shit engine do it for you. If it works, template injection blah blah blah. It starts with F30F. Okay, that means this is the correct one, right? Yeah, we're gonna use this unique bytes that shit engine generates for us. Use it here, copy paste here, and what else? The address, as I said, you can use it if you want. This is here, base address. The affected bytes. This is okay. Let me explain to the affected bytes. Okay, you need to do this. You need to understand this. You have to. So my code will inject jump. Okay, we'll inject jump here in this, and jump, it takes 5 bytes. Okay, it takes 5 bytes. This is the target addresses that we want to inject jump on it. How many bytes in this target address? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, use 5 here because the affected bytes are only 5. Okay, so we're gonna use 5. For example, let's assume this is the target address. We want to inject jump here. So the jump will override 5 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will override all these bytes. Then the remaining bytes will become for these 3 bytes. Then you have to count these 3 bytes. So you're gonna inject on this one, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means you need add 8 here. Okay, let's give another example. Let's assume you want to inject on this one. Okay, so always count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, and the remaining is 130. You must count the remaining bytes. That means 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining is 6. Another example. Let's find a short one. Let's assume this is the target asset that we want to inject jump on. Count on this bytes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. It will override the next address. That means count the other 3. 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let me give you another example. Let's assume we want to inject jump on this one. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ends with exactly in this instruction. That means only write 5. Okay. Let me give you another example. I want to see another example that overrides 3 instructions. Okay, this will this, if you inject jump on this one, for example, you always count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you also count the rest of this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means you 12. I assume you understand. The jump will always override 5 bytes. Okay, that's what you must understand. So this is because this target address has exactly 5 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining is 0. So just try 5 exactly. Okay, so you understand this. The original bytes, the same thing. Copy this. This is the original bytes only. Copy paste it here. Okay, and the registry, you must write the registry that you want. So basically, this is the registry that contains the addresses XYZ. So the RCX, write RCX here. Okay, in lowercase, please. Register is always in lowercase. R8 or RCX or RSP. Anyway, I assume you understand. And use the offset that contains the X coordinates. As I mentioned, the coordinates of x, it's in 30, and in y it's it doesn't matter. Y is 34 and z is 30. I assume you understand this. Okay, it's easy. And you can set this to false or true. I always set this x and y. I always set it to false because I don't want to display it in the GUI. For example, if you run this, if you run the trainer, what is the trainer? Okay, if you run the trainer, you will see only the z coordinates because the z coordinates, this is the z coordinates. I set it to true, so that means only the coordinates will be shown. That means it will show the hotkeys of the coordinates because I want to show the. Sometimes I want to teleport up. I don't care to teleport right or left or whatever. So you can also do, if you remember the hotkeys, you can set it to false just to show you the hotkeys. Is hotkeys in the GUI. You can set it to the type of its float, always in the coordinates of most games. It doesn't matter actually. You can set it to float because it's float. You can set it to float. Okay. And you can keep this as it is. This one is just you know uh, this the address. For example, this is the hotkeys of increase. If you press these hotkeys, it will if you press this hotkey, it will increase the value of this address by what? By 4. You can set how many by what the increase the address value will increase or decrease. Same thing. This is the hotkeys of decrease. When you press this hotkeys, the value of this address will decrease by 5. And this is another hotkey. This is the hotkey of set value. That means if you press this hotkey, it will set value to this address. It will set it to what? It will set it to 50. So this is fixed number. Okay, I assume you understand this. Same thing for x, y, z. Do the same thing, okay, of increase, okay, decrease, whatever. Okay, what else I need to explain? I think this is basically it. This is everything. I think I covered everything. So basically this is the, let me show you another example because sometimes you want to find what is the x, what is the y, what is the y, what is the z of the character. Right click. This will show you the x, y, z here. So this is x. It's on the this is x. You can test it here in game and see. Basically, I just tested it. This is y, I think. Yeah. You can do something like you can copy. Because this one, wait, it's not showing the x and z. I think the x is and z. This is weird instruction. It's not showing it here. So basically, you can just copy this, copy, paste. You can double click on this and write 4. I assume it's 4. Let me just make sure. Yeah, this is the address as you see. As you see, if you add 4, in most cases, in most games, you only add 4 and it will you will get you the next coordinate. For example, this is x, this is y, this is z. Most games x, y, z. This is the order. But in Resident Evil 4 remake, it's x, z, y. As you see, x, z, y. Okay, so the z is this one. For example, this is 2. This is the z coordinates correctly in Leon character. This is z coordinate. If I increase it, that means my character will teleport up. As you see, this is This is the Z. Most games, as I said, it's XYZ, but Resident Evil 4 it's XZY. It's, you know. So basically, you need to bear that in mind. So the Z must be, it doesn't matter. You don't need to organize it here. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can keep like XYZ like that. So basically, because the Z, I want only to display the Z address, the Z hotkeys. That means the Z is what we said. It's 34, right? This is the Z. So you don't need to. Or you can just swap this one. Set 38 and set this to 34. Okay. That means it will only show you the Z the Z you know, the Z hotkeys. Save. Ah. My time will detect cheat engine, does not allow cheat engine. So basically, what we wanna do is just for security purposes. I don't want people to manipulate with my trainer anyway. So basically, you can find all your cheat with cheat engine, and you can just open the notepad and do everything, then open the trainer. Anyway, I think this is basically everything. If you try my trainer and if there is something you don't understand, just let me know. I will explain to you. So basically, this is it. What else? Did I forget something? So if you're launching, if you are using a system that 32, you can use. Well, current days, no one is using 32 anyway. All people using 64. So open 64. Okay. Don't delete this folder because it uses the files that I have my trainer anyway. So this is if you want bytes. And I think, well, I will add another tool. I will add another tool that read. For example, some games you won't be able to find with cheat engine. You won't be able to find a registry that contains only the address of your player only. In some games, not all, but most of them, you will find an address that contains only Leon character, for example. For example, if you check all of them, and you will see all of them that contains many addresses. For example, we check and you see many addresses for all of this. That means we want to use this tool that I explained to you. This tool that it helps you to quickly check the registries, all these registries. For example, you wanna go here and, for example, and or yeah, this tool, it makes you read this registers. This registers, the cheat engine debugger cannot debug it. Cheat engine will only debug the registers that is followed by offset or this kind of registry. It's between these brackets. So cheat engine will only debug this for you. Okay, it will not debug something like this. It will not debug this one. So this tool, if you didn't find an instruction that contains only your character addresses, that means you will need to find you need to check this one by one. Cheat engine you can inject code like this. You can inject code, but it takes time, but you need to allocate memory. Use this, paste it here, use this. So you want to check the addresses of this registry. That means you need to write FR11 here. Then of course, don't forget this to remove to deallocate the memory after you deactivate your sheet. Okay, file assign to current sheet table like this. As you see, if we enable this, it will take us to the allocated memory. Follow. So the address, this is the addresses that as you see, it takes time. You will need to add copy paste. No, actually it's using this one, never mind. Actually no, because go back. Yeah. So basically it's if you this wait, let me disable this RSP. It does not have an offset, so you will not add something like this. You only keep this because it does not have an offset. When you enable, so this is the base address of that R11. Anyway, I have so as you see, many addresses will occur. You will see the address will change here. That means that instruction you know, many addresses goes through the, as you see, the addresses change. That means many addresses goes through this registry R11. As you see, with Sheet Engine, it takes a lot of time. But I have a tool that I will put download link. You can use it. The tools you can directly it will fast check the registry. Just directly check, type the registry name. You know, it will only allow require you to type the address of the person's name and the address of this and the name of for example, you write R11 and you will check, it will check the R11 addresses. It will display you the address, the list of all addresses that access this registry. If you see only one address and when you check the address, it's a base address of XYZ, and you can use it. Basically it's a little bit complicated and I cannot explain it to you in one video. So basically, I don't know, most of the times you will find an instruction that contains only the player only addresses, like this one, just for Resident Evil 4. Don't need to bother for now. Anyway, I think this is it. If you have any question, just let me know. So let me show you quick my trial and how it works. Let me close. By the way, my trainer is it can do the same thing as this one, as this. It is do the same thing. It will inject code here, do the same thing when you go to the allocated memory. When you for Sheet Engine, when you disable, it will remove it will clear the allocated memory. It will deallocate the memory. Don't worry, my trainer also do the same thing. It cleans the memory. So you know. So okay, let's try. Let me show you my trainer. So basically, this trainer you can use it in any game. Okay. So basically, this is a limited HP. If I press, my trainer will automatically translate this to human readable code. For example, you will only set virtual code, and my trainer will automatically translate it to human readable. So this is shift left shift and F5. You need to enable this one first, then you can check it by click on it. It will get you, you know, unlimited health right now, or just press left shift. As you see, because I set it to toggle, it's I only need to press, and that's all. If it's to hold, you can do it if you want. So yeah, basically that's it. This is the accurate, because as you see the accuracy of the weapon. Do you see? It takes long for accuracy, but you know, as you see, zero accuracy all the time. This is just a sheet Bytes find with for Resident Evil. This is the Bytes if you want to use it. Anyway, you can find cheat but in any game. Do it here. This is the unlimited clip, as you see. decreasing if I enable it, as you see. So, and also this one is teleport menu. It shows you the XYZ coordinates. So this is the XYZ of the player. If I move, as you see, it's moving. So basically you can choose a folder. If you don't find, you can create folder by yourself manually. Go to documents and go to this folder. You can create, for example, there's no. Let's assume there is no folder here of Resident Evil 4. You can create it manually. Resident Evil 4 remake, save version, so whatever. Okay, there is a folder there here, and you must create folder there. So select your game folder. When you select it, you can choose slot here. You can add, as you see, it will create another folder here. This is for save slots. Okay, for example, let's see, I don't know, let's just, you can rename the location. Save here, it will save the location that you're currently standing on. If you double click on it, it will teleport you to that location. Anyway, you can set the slots. If you want to add more slots, go to this file and you can just copy, paste. Make sure to you know what I mean. Save, close, run, and then open it again. Choose the folder of Resident Evil 4. You will see. So basically, you can save, store as many locations as you want. And this one is another one I will explain to you. For example, let me explain to you this one. I actually have I have it. I'm using it for this game, Guild Wars 2. This is a file of maps of that game. For example, this map. This is a map in this game. So basically, copy the ENI file. You can rename the ENI file if you want. You can copy paste it here. I didn't copy it or what? My God. Okay. You can rename. It depends on your game. For example, this is just to help you. For example, we are what place is this in table 4? I don't know. Let's assume this is just I don't know, town, whatever. So basically, you need to write the coordinates by yourself manually, or you can use to help you. And let's assume, okay, let's assume we are near the trader here. Okay, close this one. So this is the XYZ. Okay, we open this one, right? Okay, close this one. So here how you can add addresses. This is address 1. X, how much X? It's 209. Don't care about this after the dot. Only take the real value. 113. The Z value you can always make. It's 1, right? You can keep it 1, but make it 2. It's better to make your character teleport to a little bit higher. And this is the trader. This is the trader position. Okay. And if you go here, I don't know. I'm just showing you an example. Let's see. This position is for. This is another position for maybe the. Okay, 2, 2, 8, 107. For the Z, always for the Z, as I said, as I mentioned, Z always make it a little bit higher. This is -7. That means to make it more positive, -6. Okay, it's more positive. Okay. Okay, I saved this. Okay, close this. Okay, yeah. Okay, don't need to close this. Should select the folder. Tuck. Then as you see, the file that we added here is here. Copy, paste, use another file. For example, when you select the file and shift and insert to teleport to the next to the next position, that means it will teleport here, then it will teleport here. You know, as many locations you add here, shift delete, it will teleport back to the previous one. Let's try it out. We select this file and shift insert, as you see.
Oh, nothing but the
As
finest
you see.
ways.
Well, in some games, I don't know, no need to mention this, but yeah, this is basically how it works. This is just the table for, you can check as many locations here, it will teleport you. Shift insert, it will teleport you. This table is useful for some games. For example, some games has you can find some places or unlock some maps. You can do this by this teleport to the next map, next location. You know what I mean. So basically, this is the shit table. Okay, this one, yeah, I didn't explain this one. This one also, this is a special one. To use it, I always have this example on this one. No, let me see, because this game has this game in Guild Wars. For example, this is a map. Okay, this is a map. In this map, I'm gonna teleport to all these addresses to unlock the whole map. Okay, and this location, this is special locations. So this is special locations. I want to double click on it. I want so basically copy this. Go add it to your game. I don't know. We already opened this. Paste it here. I don't know. Call it trader, because we are near the trader. Trader place. Use the coordinates of the
Take a
trader
look.
here.
Something's
Same thing.
bound to catch your eye.
Okay, wait. Let's see, here is the shirt. I don't know. Yeah, that's something. This is the shirt position. Okay. Reselect the file. Select the file. It will show you this one. When you double click on this, it will teleport you to this location. So basically, this is it. It will show you here, this one here. Double click on it. It does not work with this hotkey. This hotkeys only work with this. Basically, this is the for teleport menu. I think I covered everything. You don't need to disable. You don't need, if you want to close the terminal, you can close it directly. It's okay. It will restore the game memory automatically. So you don't need to do this. You know. Or you can just check it will disable and close, or you can just directly close. Doesn't matter. Basically, this is it. What else? Yeah, nothing. That's basically it. Yeah, you can check here you can use any name you want here. For example, you find an address that not just for XYZ. Basically, for let's assume that instruction, maybe it contains XYZ coordinates address, and also maybe it contains I don't know, something else. You can copy all this, paste it, but make sure to rename to 4 4 4 4. You know what I mean. This is the address 4, okay, of that instruction. Yeah, use different hotkeys here, as I mentioned. You can use it like some instruction, maybe with the coordinates instruction. Maybe it has also the, I don't know, ammo, for example. Ammo. You can write anything here in the description. It will be displayed here. Ammo. Maybe this is the ammo address in this offset. let's assume offset is 55. It has the ammo. Okay, if this is the offset of increase or of decrease, wherever. Yeah. Plus, I don't know, 0x, I don't know what. I don't know, F5 I guess. F5 is what? This one F5. Plus F6 plus F7. Save. When you save, I think this is it. Yeah. True. That means I'm gonna show it here in this. Close the trainer. Save this one and open the trainer. As you see, it shows the hotkeys here. Right Alt plus E plus F5 to increase the address width or decrease the address width or set value. And I forgot to mention that the game that we used before, it was Resident Evil 4. Okay, that means it's used 64. Also, you need to run this one 64. For example, I have another game, and this is Frank's game. I already have I build coordinates for it. Okay. So you must run this one, okay? For Resident Evil 4 because it's 64. But this game, as you see, go here, go to details. It's 32 game, okay? This is old game, so old games you might find 32 games, 30-bit. So I use 30-bit this one to run it. Same thing. This is the coordinates. I didn't fill anything here because I don't know. I just started this game just to test on it. So let me show you. Just to show you that this time also works for 32-bit games. And this is the coordinates of the player. You see. I can okay, I didn't create folder, so let's see. Let's go to documents. I know it's things. Save location wherever. Upload the channel and choose things, save locations wherever. You can do the same thing as I mentioned before. Paste here if you want to use teleport to places, or you can just use the slots. Save. Double click on it. As you see, it works only in this game. So yeah, you can find your sheet for this game and apply the same thing. What else? Yeah, or also you can change this. It's basically the trainer name. You can change it whatever you want. This one to the trainer, you can change it here. So basically you can change the process name, of course. You can change this one. Do not change this stuff. Also, never change this stuff. Actually, for coordinates, don't change. If you find, for example, if you want to find, this is actual coordinates. In games, there is actual coordinates and visual coordinates. There is coordinates that when you change it, it's just visually. If you want to add visual coordinates as you like, but this is actual coordinates. Do not change like the name base for coordinates. Keep it as it is. Just change, as I mentioned before. And if you don't want to use teleport menu, you can just delete this. But most important in teleport menu, of course, you need to find the coordinates and use these things. This for coordinates, do not change this, or my timer will not work. Just don't change this. Okay. Basically that's it. Okay, see you guys. Take care.